all my dear students for our virtual classes. My dear students, in the previous video we have learned that there are two types of minerals. Okay, minerals are of two types: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. So the last point that we have learned, it was non-metallic minerals. Okay, and into that we have seen the information about non-metallic minerals, coal. About coal we have learned. Now in today's video we have to learn the last point of our lesson, and that is petroleum. Okay, that is petroleum. Petroleum is also called as what? Crude oil. Okay, petroleum is also called as what? Crude oil. So the next point, last point of our lesson that we have to learn today is petroleum. Okay, petroleum or crude oil. Crude oil. So this is the point that we have to learn today. Okay, petroleum or crude oil, both the name are same. Petroleum is also called as crude oil. Okay, now listen it carefully. What is petroleum? Which are the different uses of petroleum? How do these crude oil form? We have to learn this. Okay, now listen it carefully. So petroleum is the type of non-metallic mineral. Okay, petroleum is a non-metallic minerals. It is the type of non-metallic minerals, and it is the most common fossil fuel. Okay, it is the most common, finds everywhere. It is the most common fossil fuel which find everywhere. Okay, so how do they form now? This crude oil, this petroleum, how do they form? Okay, this petroleum is formed from the land and aquatic animals. What? From the land and aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals means those animals who live in the water. Aquatic animals means what? The animals which live in the water or ocean or in the sea. Okay. So this petroleum is formed from land and aquatic animals. Means the crude oil that we get, petrol, diesel, kerosene, it is obtained, it is formed from these two, land and aquatic animals. Now we have to see how do they form. Okay, what we have to see now? How do they form? So listen it carefully now. How do they form? So before millions of years ago, what happened? These animals who were living, they died. Before millions of years ago, the animals which were living on the earth, what happened? They died. So after their death, what happened? Their remains, what? They settled down under the earth. What happened? Suppose this is the earth or ocean. So what happened? The animals which were living on this earth or which were living in the ocean, what happened? They died. And after their death, what happened? They buried inside this ocean. Suppose this is ocean. Okay, ocean. So what happened? The animals which were living in the ocean, after their death, what happened? They buried inside the mud or sediment. Okay, so they buried inside this mud or sediments which were in the ocean. So the animals which were living in the ocean, what happened? After their death, they buried inside the ocean. They settled down under the ocean floor, under the mud or sediments. So after the period of time, what happened? After some of the period of time, what happened? So due to extreme heat pressure. Due to extreme heat and pressure, what happened? Due to extreme heat and pressure, what happened? The remain of these animals converted into crude oil. So what happened? After some period of time, due to extreme heat and pressure, the animals which were died and buried inside this mud, what happened? Due to this extreme heat and pressure, these buried animal converted into crude oil. Okay, did you understand what happened? After their death, they buried inside the ocean, they buried inside the mud or some of the sediment. So after the period of time, due to the extreme heat and pressure, what happened? This buried animal converted into crude oil. Okay, buried animals converted into what? Crude oil or petroleum. So due to extreme heat and pressure, the buried animals, okay, converted into, changed into crude oil. Okay, now this crude oil, where do we get? We get this crude oil in the deep surface of the earth. Means inside the earth we get it, and we get it by drilling method from oil wells. Okay, we obtain this crude oil from where? We obtain this crude oil from the earth surface. Okay, from the earth surface by drilling method from the oil wells. Okay, oil wells. So after this crude, after taking it from the oil wells, this crude oil is refined. This crude oil is refined. Okay, and new different products are formed from it. New different products are formed called petrol, diesel. Okay, petrol, diesel, and kerosene. So these crude oils are obtained after the refined. Okay, petrol, diesel, and kerosene we get. So now uses of petroleum. Okay, so petroleum is used for running the vehicles. We know we use petrol, diesel for running the vehicles. So petroleum is used for running the vehicles. After that, petroleum is used for making paints and varnish. Okay, petroleum is used for making paints and varnish. Now in India, where do we get this petroleum? Where do we get this petroleum in India? Okay, Digboi place. Digboi in Assam. Okay, in Assam one place is there, Digboi. There you will get this petroleum or crude oil. In India, Digboi place is there in Assam. Here we get this crude oil. And Bombay, one point is there, Bombay High. This is also one place in Mumbai. There we get this crude oil. This crude oil is obtained there. These are the two places where we get the petroleum in India. Digboi in Assam and Bombay High in Mumbai. So here we have learned all the information about what? Petroleum. Now I write the points. You also note down all the points in your notebook. Okay. So we have learned the information about non-metallic mineral, that is petroleum. Okay. So note down these points. It is obtained from land and aquatic animals. form. Means how do we get what? Petroleum. So after the death of aquatic animals, they buried under the sea, under the ocean. Okay, under the ocean. So due to extreme heat and pressure, these aquatic animals which were dead converted into crude oil. Due to high pressure and heat, they converted into crude oil or petroleum. So here we have seen how do they form. Okay, now we have to see the uses of petroleum. Okay, so please note down this point. Okay. Now we have to see the uses of petroleum. Where do we use this petroleum? Okay. So uses of petroleum. First use is, it is used for running the vehicles that we drive. It runs on the crude oil or petroleum. Okay. Next point. It is used for making paints and varnish. So here there are two uses of minerals. Okay. So here we have completed our point petroleum. I hope you understood this point well. Okay. So last point that is remain conservation of coal and petroleum. We will see in the next video. Okay, and do your study well because your exam is going on. Okay, so stay safe and stay healthy at your home and see you in the next video. Okay.